3.
Hi, I'm Kurt Gabriel Evangelista from BSN 1Y3 M9A. I will demonstrate the transferring the patient from bed to chair. First, we need to review the medical records of the patient and any movement limitation. And now, we proceed to hand hygiene. Next, we need to identify the patient. Sir, what is your name?
Ben Aaron,
Birthday?
November 20, 2003.
Okay. Sir, can I see your wristband? Okay. Next, I will provide privacy for the patient. Next, gather all materials. Belt, and now wheelchair. And next, we need to adjust the bed at the lowest position. Then lock. Then place the wheelchair beside the bed. And lock the wheelchair. Assume this chair is a wheelchair. Next, we assess the patient. Next, we will position the patient Sims position. Sure. Next, we sit the patient. One, two, three. And now, when the patient is in the sitting position, we put belt on the patient. Next, the patient will ask the patient to rest at least 1 to 5 minutes. Assume that 5 minutes is okay. Next, we leave the patient and 1, 2, 3. Next, position position properly the patient. And next, document the patient. And we remove the belt. And now, we need to remove the gloves. And now it's okay. And next is we need to hand hygiene. And next is we transfer the patient from chair to bed. Now we need to hand hygiene. Next, we put belt to the patient. Next. Next, we position the patient in the sitting position. 1, 2, 3. Next, we remove the belt. And we position the patient properly. In comfortable position. After that, we up the bed rails and lock, and we turn up the bed and lock. After that, we need to remove our gloves and hand hygiene and document, and it's okay.